And he caught it. What a pro. Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for a relaxed flight test. This is the type of thing you want to do after you've had a long day. And I've been doing some flight testing today with some other models, but this is kind of the most relaxing thing you could do. Discus launch glider from my new friends at FlightPoint 1.2 metre. This is the LULL from a range of quite a number of models that they do on their website, all the way from DLGs, basic and advanced DLGs, slope soarers, and even competition gliders. They do quite a range. Now this is a kit, arrives in a pack that you have to put together, but I have to say their instructions, their build instructions are phenomenal. All pictures with text descriptions of each step, putting together the wing, the fuselage, and the tail. And then before you know it, you end up with a model that looks like this. And it's perfect for calm evenings like this, where you just want to relax and fly DLGs with other members of your local model flying club. So this has just 2 channels, rudder and elevator, powered by a single cell 400 milliamp hour pack. And I'm using a Radiomaster TX16S with a Vario receiver, so that should I catch a thermal, I can find out from the Vario whether I'm climbing or descending. That's the whole point of a Vario. Never done too much of this, but I think it's going to be brilliant, so let's give it a go. Never done this before. How difficult can it be? Oh! That's the wrong way to do it. I need an expert to show me how to do it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
So wind straight up over there, so
Blimey! I'm going to have to practice to be able to do that.
it's not difficult. The secret is to keep your arm level and straight, and then just rotate.
Level and straight.
Well, yeah, level and yeah. Level and straight. Abundance of lift.
No. I think we've lost the best of that.
Ah, yes. Tell you what, though, for that good quick.
I think so, I'll tell you.
That's very good value. What is it called?
A lull.
It does look a little bit elfish and a little bit puffy.
Do you mind giving me one more?
No, not at all.
I'm going to get very quickly addicted to this, I think.
Oh yeah, it is. It's cheaper than heroin.
Cheaper than heroin. not used to flying something so quiet. Ooh. Beautiful. Wow.
Could Dean have a go?
Yeah. Resident expert Dean is going to have a go.
I'll lob it.
It's all on the one stick.
All on that stick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two channel.
Does it fly a bit like an elf?
Yeah. CG's out.
Is it?
Yeah.
Too far forward?
Hanging on our backside.
Oh. Not enough lead in the nose then?
Yeah, just a touch. It's not me.
Right, so we've had a bit of a tinker.
We've
And
had a bit of a tinker.
And I couldn't, yeah, and I couldn't remove the lead from the nose. So the easiest thing to do was to add a little bit to the tail. Dean's done
That's
that.
right.
And we
We're
think
gonna-
we've got it flying a lot better. Balance is everything, right, Dean?
Right, CG is
CG
gotta
is
be
everything.
perfect,
Yeah.
yeah.
Very, very fine. We're going to give it a decent launch this time and
Yeah,
see
not
what
like my
happens.
launch earlier.
You ready?
Yeah.
Still going slightly to the left, isn't it?
That's basically hands off.
Nice.
Totally different model now.
And he caught it. What a pro. So the CG is more or less perfect now, would you say, Dean?
It's almost there. But it's a perfect evening, flat calm, perfect night for doing it. But yeah, get rid of that lead in the front, get rid of this stuff on the back.
For the same, and balance it on a couple of pencils,
Yes, yeah.
as it is first.
A couple of millimetres forward or back can make a huge difference. And we've proved that tonight because it flies really well now, I think. Especially if the sun was shining and you caught a thermal.
Yeah. Well,
So-
we'll get plenty of evenings like that.
Yes.
Anyway, thank you very much for your help. If you hadn't have been here, I would have been 3D'ing it inverted, like I was earlier. It would have been a disaster.
Nice model though. Nice model.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Only thing I would suggest, maybe some electrical tape across the leading edge of the wing,
Right.
because if you come in to catch it and you mess it up, you can dink the front leading edge of the wing, because that takes all the punishment.
Gotcha.
But apart from that, very pretty model.
Okay. Look, this is on FlightPoint.co. Okay, it's about $100 kit, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to put it together. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks, Dean and chaps.
Bye.